your air gauge up here, tell you the pressure you've got in your train pipe and also on the main tank. Compressor switch, controller switch, reset button, gate buttons, and your controller handle here. Now, there are 3 positions in the brake. Braking position, release, and running position. The controller is the same. Select the lever, and you must put this down because it operates dead man, which is the brake. In the event of your train breaking down, use a short circuiting bar on the telephone wires in the tunnel. Just simply place it against them and give it a rub. That should open the breaker. Clip on your phones, speak to the station master, tell them it's happened. It could be a broken air coupling, it could be collector shoes.
Gentlemen, may move over there, please. What are you interested here? Oh, right. Hello, hello. I broke down here in the tunnel. You send on the next train to give me a push.
We're still with power, right?
Sorry for the hold up, but I've run into trouble with the train. I've sent for assistance. It's belong any time now. Get right.
Fortunately, situations such as this are very rare on the subway.
Handbrake off. Skids on. Motors forward.
The disabled train is pushed out of the tunnel with a minimum of disruption to the service. The age of the equipment means that replacement parts are no longer available straight off the shelf.
Of course, the rundown of the rolling stock has made things very difficult at the moment to keep the underground rolling. And, well, it's very difficult to get spares. In fact, so much so that manufacturers don't manufacture our spares any longer. And we have got to use our own intuition to make these spares. And the result is that it's only by use and want and all putting our heads together, as it were, and we manufacture these spares to keep the underground running. And so it goes on. Now, this is how it is today.
Without a doubt, the most unusual aspect of the Glasgow subway is the method employed to remove trains from the track. There are no points on the subway and no ramps up into the car sheds. The only way to bring rolling stock into the car sheds is by lifting a vehicle bodily out of the pit. Coaches are normally lifted up to the car sheds only for routine maintenance purposes, but it may also be necessary to lift and replace a faulty vehicle during normal daily running. This can be achieved with practically no interruption to the service. The whole operation for a single vehicle, lifted and replaced, takes only about 4 minutes. This is the domain of the Black Squad. Here in the car sheds, all the repairs and maintenance to rolling stock are carried out. 2 trains are lifted every night for routine maintenance, each squad servicing 1 motor coach and 1 trailer coach during daytime operating hours, ready to be put back into service the next night. drop of oil in the right place, a new collector shoe and bracket, and the bogie is passed as fit and returned to its coach.
Anyway, I'd like to thank the boys in the shop and the shop stewards for all the wonderful cooperation that I've had from you all in the past. And I trust and hope that you'll give the very same cooperation to Mr. Wright here, because I know that you can do it. Many a Monday morning we've come in here, as you all know, and we've had no spares at all. It's been one gigantic weekend chaos, and I've had to ask you to do a quick job in a car, and you cooperated, and there we were, we had spares to go on with. And that's how the system's been running. It's only been running because of the fact you've made it run. No us. You're the folk that has made this system run. And I would like to thank you all today. Thank you very much.